The Serra Da Mesa Dam, once known as Sao Felix, is an embankment dam on the Tocantins River near Minaçu in Goiás, Brazil. The dam serves an associated hydroelectric power plant with a 1,275 megawatts, 1,710,000 HP, installed capacity. The dam creates the largest reservoir by volume in Brazil. Eletrobras began studies of the upper Tocantins River in 1981 and proposed constructing two large dams. One was at Serra Da Mesa, which had good geomechanical conditions. After years of studies, construction on the dam and power station began in 1986. On October 24, 1996, the dam began to inundate and create its reservoir, and it was full in 1998. Around the same time, the power station's generators became operational. The Serra Da Mesa Dam is a 1,500-meter, 4,900 feet, long and 154-meter, 505 feet, tall earth-fill embankment dam with a clay core, and in total contains 12,057,558 cubic meters, 425,808,600 cu-foot, of material. The reservoir created by the dam has a capacity of 54,400,000,000 cubic meters, 44,100,000 acre-ft, and surface area of 1,784 square kilometers, 689 square miles. Of the reservoir's volume, 43,250,000,000 cubic meters, 35,060,000 acre-ft, is active storage. The dam supports a spillway with 5 floodgates that are 15 meters, 49 feet, wide and 20.4 meters, 67 feet, high each. In total, the spillway has a 15,000 cubic meters per second, 530,000 cu-foot/s, discharge capacity. The dam supports the Serra Da Mesa hydroelectric power station, an underground power station and hydraulic circuit. Before reaching the turbines, water enters the intake near the dam's left abutment and proceeds along 3 24-meter, 79 feet, long intake tunnels before reaching 3 126-meter, 413 feet, long and 10-meter, 33 feet, diameter penstocks. Water then reaches the Francis turbines, which power 3 425 megawatts, 570,000 HP, generators. After exiting the turbines, the water is discharged from the powerhouse via one 500-meter, 1,600 feet, long tail race tunnel. The powerhouse is 137 meters, 449 feet, long, 67 meters, 220 feet, high, and 30 meters, 98 feet, wide. To mitigate water hammer when starting and stopping the turbines, it contains a 69-meter, 226 feet, long, 20-meter, 66 feet, wide, and 65-meter, 213 feet, tall surge chamber with a 91,000 cubic meters, 3,200,000 cu-foot, capacity. The Serra Da Mesa Dam was sharply criticized by environmentalists before and during construction. Organizations, such as the International Rivers Network, criticized the dam and its reservoir for destroying a vast area of flora and fauna along with destroying the habitat of endangered species. In addition, the dam was criticized for flooding archaeological sites and $15 million worth of timber that was not removed prior to flooding.